Hello student, I am Satish Jangit from Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dasa. Structure Analysis Lecture 5. In this lecture, we will discuss about the prop cantilever beam and fixed beam. These beam are statically indeterminate beam. In this chapter, we will analyze the beam in which the number of reaction exceed the number of independent equation of equilibrium. Integration of the differential equation, method of superposition, compact equation, type of statical indeterminate beam. The number of reaction in excess of number of equilibrium equation is called the degree of statical indeterminacy. We have already studied about the statical indeterminacy when the total number of reaction is exceed the equilibrium condition is known as statical indeterminacy. First, propped cantilever beam shown in the figure. Here is one end is fixed and another is roller support. P load applied at angle theta. Then total number of reaction is 4 and equilibrium equation is 3. Then propped cantilever is a 1 degree of static indeterminate. Next, cantilever beam fixed and total number of reaction is 3 and equilibrium equation is 3. Then cantilever beam is determinant beam. Similar another example are shown in this PPT. Now next, fixed beam. Here is total number of reaction 6 and equilibrium equation is 3. Then 3 degree of statical indeterminate. The excess reaction are called static redundants. The structure that remains when the redundants are released is called release structure or the primary structure. Analysis by the differential equation of the deflection curve. We have studied in the strength of material the relation between moment and slope and deflection. EI V equal to M, EI V triple dash equal to V, EI V 4 equal to minus Q. Here is M moment, V is shear force and Q is load. The procedure is essentially the same as that for statical determinant beam and consists of writing the differential equation, integrating to obtain its general solution, and then applying boundary and other condition to the evaluate the unknown quantities. The unknown consist of redundance, reaction as well as constant of integration. This method have the computation difficulties that arise when a large number of constants to evaluate. It is practical only for relative simple case. First, we discuss a example of propped cantilever beam. So in this figure, a propped cantilever beam AB support at uniform load small q. Determine the reaction, shear force, bending moment, slope and deflection. Choose RV as the redundant. Here at fixed end, movement, vertical reaction and horizontal reaction, these are the resistant condition. But here is only vertical load act, then horizontal reaction is neglected. Then total number of reaction is 3 or equilibrium equation is 2. Then 1 degree statistical determinant of this structure. Now take a section, then reaction RA equal to Q into L minus RB. MA equal to QL square by 2 minus RB into L from the free body diagram, and the bending moment of beam is M equal to RA into X minus MA minus QX square by 2. Q into L into X, put the value of RA and MA. RV into X minus QL square by 2 minus RV into L minus QX square by 2. Now EIV double dash equal to M. First integration of this equation, then EIV dash equal to QLX square by 2 minus RVX square by 2 minus QL square x by 2 minus RVX minus QX Q divided by 6 plus C1. Now next integration of this equation, EIV equal to QLXQ upon 6 minus RVX xq upon 6 minus QL square x square upon 4 minus RV LX square upon 2 minus 4 upon 24 plus C1x plus C2. Now put the boundary condition V equal to 0, V dash equal to 0, VL equal to 0. It is often C1 equal to C2 equal to 0. Then we find finally RV from this equation 3QL upon 8 and RA equal to 5QL upon 8, MA equal to QL square upon 8. The shear force and bending moment are B equal to RA minus Q into X. B is the shear force, RA is the reaction at point A, and Q is the applied load, and X is the distance from the A point, is equal to, put the value of RA 5QL upon 8 minus Q into X. M equal to RA into X minus MA minus QX square by 2. Minus sign because movement is a anti-clockwise direction. Put the value of RA MA, RA equal to 5QL x upon 8 minus QL square upon 8 minus QX square upon 2. The maximum shear force is V max equal to 5QL upon 8 at the fixed end. The maximum positive and negative moment are Qmax equal to 9QL square upon 128 and M नेगेटिव इक्वल टू माइनस QL स्क्वायर अपॉन 8। किसी भी फंक्शन का मुझे मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम निकालना है, उसके लिए फर्स्ट क्या करेंगे, उसका पार्शियली डिफरेंशिएशन करके उसके पॉइंट के रेस्पेक्ट में वहाँ से वैल्यू निकाल के उस वैल्यू को उसी इक्वेशन में पुट करने से हमें कोई भी फंक्शन है वो मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम फाइंड आउट होता है। नेक्स्ट, स्लोप एंड डिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द बीम। V इक्वल टू QX 48 EI कोष्टक 6L स्क्वायर प्लस 15LX माइनस 8X स्क्वायर। V इक्वल टू QX स्क्वायर अपॉन 48 EI 3L स्क्वायर माइनस 5LX प्लस 2X स्क्वायर। टू डिटरमाइन द डेल MX set V dash equal to 0, then the above equation is equal to 0. We have find the x1 equal to 0.5785 L, del M max equal to minus V into x1, then 0.005416 QL 4 upon EI. The point of inflection is located at M equal to 0, X equal to L by 4. Now theta V equal to QL square upon 48 EI. Now example second, a fixed end beam ABC support a concentrated load P at the midpoint. Determine the reaction, shear force, bending moment, slope and deflection. Because the load P in vertical direction and symmetric, then horizontal reaction is 0. RA RB equal to P by 2. MA equal to MB 1 degree of static indeterminacy. M equal to P x by 2 minus MA when length is varies from 0 to L by 2. EI V dash equal to M. This is the equation of slope deflection. Then put the value of M from equation above equation P x by 2 minus MA. Now after integration it is obtained PIV equal to Px square by 4 minus MAX plus C1. Now again integration of this Px cube upon 12 minus MAX square by 2 plus C1x plus C2. Boundary condition, put the V equal to 0 and V dash equal to 0. Symmetric condition, then V dash equal to 0, the constant C1, C2 and the moments MA is obtained. C1 equal to C2 equal to 0 and MA equal to PL upon 8. The shear force and bending moment diagram can be plotted. Thus the relation between slope and deflection equation V dash equal to Px upon 8EI L minus 2x when length is varies from 0 to L by 2. Now V equal to Px square upon 48EI 3L minus 4x. The maximum deflection occur at the center because this beam is fixed. The point of inflection occurs at the point where m equal to 0, x equal to L by 4. The deflection at the point del equal to V कोष्टक L by 4 equal to PL square upon 384 EI, which is equal to del max by 2. Now method of superposition. First we select the reaction redundance, establish the force displacement relation consistent of deformation and compactability equation. Consider a propped cantilever beam as shown in the figure. Now first select reaction. RV is redundant, then RA equal to Q into L minus RV is the load equation, and MA equal to QL square by 2 minus RV into L. Force displacement reaction delta V at point QL 4 upon ATI and delta V due to 24 RV L Q upon 3I. It is the propped reaction displacement, and first is the applied load displacement. Then compactability equation, total deformation at point V is 0, then deflection due to propped reaction is equal to deflection due to applied load are equal. Though both equations are equal, then QL 4 upon 8I equal to RV LQ upon 3I, then RV equal to 3QL upon 8 equal to, then RA equal to 5QL upon 8, and put the value of RA and RV the above equation. We can easily calculate MA equal to QL square upon 8. Select the moment MA at the redundant, then RA equal to Q L by 2 plus MA upon L, then RV equal to Q L by 2 minus MA upon L. Force displacement reaction theta A due to applied load QLQ upon 24I into theta A due to redundant MA into L upon 3EI. Then compactability equation, both are equal. MA equal to L square upon 8, RA equal to 5QL upon 8, RV equal to 3QL upon 8. Now another example, a continuous beam ABC support a uniform load Q, determine the reaction, select RV is the redundant, then RA equal to RC equal to QL minus QL by 2. Total length is 12 and applied load is small q. Force displacement reaction. Here we have choose the redundant RV, then deflection due to applied load at V. Del V1 equal to 5 QL 2L की power 4 upon 384 EI. Then solve it is equal to 5 QL 4 upon 24 EI. Delta V due to redundant reaction RA RV into 2L cube upon 48 EI is equal to RV L cube upon 6 EI. Then compactability equation, these both equations are equal, then we can easily find out the redundant reaction RV from this equation, then RV equal to 5QL upon 4 and RA equal to RC equal to 3QL upon 8. Now next, a fixed end beam AB is loaded by a force P acting at point D. Determine reaction at the ends. Also determine delta D. Here is the load is unsymmetric on the fixed beam. This is 2 degree of indeterminacy problem. The total number of reaction 2 is the at A ends and 2 is the at B points. Total number of reaction is 4 and equilibrium equation is 2. Then static indeterminacy of fixed beam is 2 in vertical loading condition. Then we choose MA and MB as the redundants. RA equal to PV upon L plus MA upon L minus MB upon L, and RV equal to PA upon L minus MA upon L plus MB upon L. Now then, force displacement reaction. Theta A due to applied load PAB into L plus B upon 6 LEI. Theta V due to applied load PAB into L plus A divided by 6 LEI. Theta due to resistant movement MA into L upon 3 EI. Then theta V due to MA at point V, MA into L upon 6 EI. Now next, theta A due to redundant MB L upon 6 EI. Theta V due to redundant MB equal to MBL upon 3 EI. Then compactability equation, theta A equal to theta A1 minus theta A2 minus theta A3 equal to 0. Theta V equal to theta V1 minus theta V2 minus theta V3 equal to 0. Put the value of A1, theta A2, theta A3 and theta V1, theta V2 and theta V3. Then we find the equations. Solving these equations, we obtain MA equal to PAV square upon L square and MB equal to PA square V upon L square. And the reaction are RA equal to PV square L cube into L plus 2A, RV equal to PA square L cube L plus 2V. The deflection delta D can be expressed as del D equal to del D1 minus del D2 minus del D3. Now del D1 due to applied load PA square V square upon 3 LEI. Del D2 equal to MAV upon 6 EI L plus B is equal to PA square V cube 6 L cube EI L plus B. Put the value of MA in this equation. Then delta D 3 equal to MBAV 6 EI L plus A. Put the value of MB in this equation. Then P AQ V square upon 6 LQ VI L plus A. Thus delta D equal to P AQ VQ upon 3 LQ EI. If A equal to V equal to L by 2, now we can understand from the another example when a point load is act on the propped cantilever is redundant condition are at point V. Now this example is solved by moment area method. First we draw the loading diagram due PL upon 2I. Next we draw the bending moment diagram due to redundant PL upon EI. Now say the moment area method, when we find the deflection at the end point, we taking moment about the bending moment diagram, this point. Then 1 by 2 L by 2 into PL 2EI L by 2 plus L by the center of this loading diagram, plus next 1 by 2 into L plus R L upon EI 2 L upon 3. This is the center of gravity from the propped end. R equal to 5P upon 16. Taking moment about A, the moment at A is given by MA equal to P into L by 2 minus 5P upon 16 into L minus 3P L upon 16 is final moment. Now vertical reaction at A is VV equal to P minus 5P upon 16. Then VV equal to 11P upon 16. The bending moment diagram of the beam as shown in the figure 5.2. This value 3PL upon 16 at point A and 5PL upon 32 at point C, where is the applied load.